Alright, just a short video. You ever see those tower lights? You ever see them flashing and on the towers? Well, this is the flash tube. This is a good flash tube. They go for about $400. And this is a burnt out one. So if you can see that the center is burned out. The center connector is just burned out. And the tube basically just exploded up there, and the gas is all leaked out. And here's the good one. You can see that that center lead is connected. You got your trigger lead and your power leads. So it ionizes it, and then the trigger voltage comes up and triggers it and causes the gas to arc and give you that nice flash. That's the size of the flash tubes up in those towers. Just a little quick video in case you were wondering what the flash tubes look like on most towers. A lot of them are switching over to LED now, and a lot of these are going by the wayside, but I prefer these over the LED. I mean, you have a problem with a flash going out, maybe you pay $400 or $500 for the flash, and the other parts, trigger transformer, input transformer, and RC network, maybe you pay $800-900, and then maybe $1,000 for a tower climb, as compared to a LED flash head, which costs between $4,000 and $5,000. So this is the way I would go. I would not go with LED on a tower, but a lot of people are doing that now, and I think it's personally I wouldn't go that way. I'd stick to this way anyway. And that's just a quick little video on tower lighting. Just in case you were wondering, that's the flash tube. Thanks for watching.